If you ask me what summer reminds me of, it's not a place, it's not even a time. It's a taste, a color, a scent. For me, summer is lemon, the fresh squeeze of juice into cold sparkling water. The way the sunlight dances through the glass. The scent that lingers on your fingertips after slicing through the rind. For me, summer is yellow and bright and a little bit wild. That's what I wanted to capture in this painting. Not just fruit on paper, but a fresh feeling. So I picked up my brush and started with a sketch. Just a few gentle ovals, slightly uneven. One lemon, whole and proud, one sliced open, juicy and golden inside. A few more nestled in leaves, and tiny white blossoms peeking out. I wasn't worried about perfect lines, I just let the pencil dance. Then came the first wash. I start with a wet brush and a light wash of lemon yellow. The softest yellow like the morning sun through the window. The color bled across the paper, just like lemonade spills across a table in July, messy, sweet, and entirely welcome. Let the water move. Let the paint surprise you. That's when magic happens. I used a mix of lemon yellow and a touch of warm ochre, letting the color bleed into the shapes like sunshine melting into fruit. Slightly deeper yellow, just around the edges and under the lemon. I used a wet on wet technique so they can blend easily. This is where the volume starts to build. Let the water do the work here. Let it flow. Once the first layer dried, I added shadows to the lemons, just a touch of burnt sienna mixed with the yellow, to hint at that sun-kissed surface. I mixed a bit of orange and yellow ochre and layered it beneath the lemon and on the shadowed sides. Then the darkest tones, a hint of brown mixed into my yellow-orange mix. I carefully added it in the very base of the lemon and inside the cast shadow. This step brings the realism. With a dry brush and very little pigment, I dabbed tiny dots to suggest pores. This lemon may be tiny, but it holds layers of sunlight. That's the secret of watercolor patience, and the magic of slow layering. For the lemon slice, I used a fine brush to paint the segments with golden yellow and a soft orange around the rind. Just like a real slice, juicy, glowy, and slightly translucent. Then came the flowers, soft white petals, shaded with the lightest gray blue, and a pop of crimson red in the center. They look simple, but they're where the magic hides. They remind me of a lemon orchard I've only seen in pictures. Tiny white petals, a soft gray-blue shadow beneath each one, barely there, like a breath. They are so fragrant, you can smell them before you see them. They bloom like tiny stars between golden suns. And in the center, a pop of yellow life, tucked into the quiet corners. The leaves came next. Sap green, a little viridian, a touch of gray for depth. I let them swirl together on the paper, no rush. Let some areas be lighter. Now imagine this. A summer morning, you're sitting outside with a sketchbook and a cold lemon drink. The air smells like citrus, and the world is quiet, just you and your brush. That's the feeling I try to paint with every stroke. Then I deepened the leaves, adding veins and contrast to make them pop. I used white color for leaves details. You know what? Even in a simple bookmark like this, there's a whole little world. Now the background. Blue. Not sky blue, not ocean blue, something in between. A turquoise wash, fading into cerulean, like a swimming pool behind a lemon tree. Or maybe the reflection of sky in someone's sunglasses as they laugh over a picnic. And then, the flicks, a brush dipped in color, and tap, tap, tap. After everything dried, I reached for my marker, with black fine tip. And this part, this is where everything woke up. Traced the edge of the lemons to give them that clean, vivid look. I outlined some of the leaves, just enough to add contrast. It's like turning up the volume on a quiet song. Suddenly, the painting starts to speak louder, brighter, and clearer. And just when I thought I was done, I added one last little detail. Tiny red dots right at the center of each flower, like the tiniest heartbeat at the center of something soft. When everything was dry, I punched a hole at the top. I tied on a ribbon, bright orange, like a summer popsicle. And just like that, the bookmark was done. Step back, look what you made. It's not just a bookmark, it's a slice of summer. A little piece of warmth to tuck into your book, your journal, or your heart. When I look at this little bookmark, it reminds me that beauty doesn't have to be big. It doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, a few lemons, a splash of color, and a quiet afternoon are all you need to feel whole again. and the quiet joy of making something just for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your colors bright and your heart even brighter.